In this video, I want to show you how to add your logo as watermark in Microsoft Word. If you want to use your logo as watermark, let me show you how to do it. So to do that, come to page layout. Here is page layout. Then come to watermark. Click on it. Then come to custom watermark. Click on it. Here, instead of no watermark, check picture watermark. Then you have to select the picture you want to use or the logo you want to use as watermark. Click on select picture. Then navigate to your folder where you have the picture or the logo. Click on it. Let me use this one. Select it and click on insert. Then here, there's little adjustments you can make to it. For example, the scale, you can leave it at auto, and you can also leave it as washout, that is the transparency. Then click on OK. So you can see it here. This is the logo that has been used as watermark. However, if you are not satisfied with the look, you can still edit it. To do that, come back to watermark and come back to this custom watermark. Then here, instead of auto, in terms of scale, you can choose 50%. Then instead of washout, if you don't want it to be washout, you can uncheck this and click on apply and click on close. You can see it. This is my logo that I've used as watermark. So you can adjust the transparency to wash out or to leave it as it is, depending on you. But this is how to add your logo as watermark in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching.